This is my brand new mount of HEQ5 Pro Sky Watcher, which just means I got this one for my 16th birthday that I just turned 16. So let's take a little review looks of the HEQ5 Pro Sky Watcher.
Okay, so let's go ahead and start trying to take a look around and see how it does. So this little handle is for making it loose. It moves around by their own for the balancing only. And of course you can easily do that. If you wanna tighten it, you press it all the way down here. And this right here is for spinning the Hubble telescope around to make it looser enough. Just like that. And you can also do that all the time. And this little handle from the metal stick here is for holding the weights, and whenever you lose it, you push it back in and push it back out. Like that every time. For this little lid cap, for having it has a polar scope on it. As you can see right here, it comes up with a polar scope, and you can look through an eyepiece in here for doing a polar alignment. You can screw it back in. Whenever you're about to do the polar alignment, you must take off the black cap lid off, so you can take the live view in there, and you can place it back in here too. Let's take a look around here, and then it has two screws that you can easily hold the telescope heads when it has that bar on it. These two things can easily hold the telescope so it doesn't get the damage of the telescope metal bars, and then it used to hold the telescope that properly. Here's how it actually looks with the Ascar 71F flat field. For this heavy weight, can actually hold 30 pounds with 2 weight limits, and my heaviest payload photophotographer weighs 13.5 pounds with an Ascar 71F with a bunch of tubes with a deep sky camera and a gliding scope and cameras too. And then this little box right here is called SynScan Wi-Fi that it easily controls the mount to the laptop. And this might be it for the little review of HEQ5 Pro Sky Watcher. And thanks for watching for the little review of HEQ5 Pro Sky Watcher mount. And I will see you in the next YouTube videos.